How to change theme in Power Director. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can find this tree line icon. Simply tap on this tree line icon and now slowly scroll down. Here, you can find a section called Preferences. Simply tap on it. So basically, we're in the settings interface. Here, you can find different options and even customize it. Here, you can see a section called Appearance. Simply tap on Appearance and this is the place where you can customize it. So basically, there are two different modes, light mode and the dark mode. So it's up to you and the way you want to customize, and it's up to your preference too. So select the one and simply go back and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.